Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a drive to Canada's second tallest waterfall. That looks cool. Which is Takakkaw Falls. I hope I pronounced it properly. Which means it's magnificent in the indigenous Cree language. So let's take a walk to the waterfall. So you'll see that they have ample parking here.
I don't know, but here.
So from the parking lot, we weren't sure which way to go, left or right. So later on, we found out that we're going in the right direction, and it was right if you're looking towards the waterfall.
The weather here changes like crazy, so it's unpredictable. Because it was forecast to be sunny. Anyways, you walk along the path past the washrooms, and there's going to be a bridge. So when you come out of the parking lot, turn right. We weren't sure if you go left or right.
There are actually two drops, and the main drop being a whopping 254 meters or 833 feet. The waterfall has a total height of 373 meters or 1,224 feet, making them the second tallest waterfall in Canada. So we found it a short walk to the waterfall. So the waterfall is located in Yoho National Park in British Columbia, Canada.
Oh, don't want to sit in those chairs because it's raining.
Here we're so close to the waterfall, we're getting pummeled by the mist. I went ahead and took a closer look while my family stayed behind. And you'll see that there's nobody closer than I am to the waterfall. Over here I'm getting drenched by the mist. Okay, let's get out of here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and hope to see you at our next video.